तड़पती हुई सहमी सी बच्ची को न जाने उसने कितना रुलाया होगा, शायद उस दिन हवस ने इंसानियत को हराया होगा। Walking down the street, I heard a girl laugh. All I wanted was to peek in who she was. Her laugh was melodious, it added music to nature. Raindrops rolled down her cheeks as she danced in pleasure. Head up high, her eyes were closed. It seemed she was in a deep conversation with God. Taking deep breath, she opened her eyes. She looked all around with a smile so wise. Like some of the kids, she jumped in the puddle. Wrapping her arms, she gave herself cuddle. It seemed she was fantasizing herself with her love, or maybe she enjoyed her own presence though. She caught me staring and headed towards me. I got nervous and skipped a heartbeat. As she came close, she bumped into me. My mind I lost, couldn't figure out what up to was she. She started shivering and looking around. I held her hand and made her calm down. I am sorry, she said, her voice so kind. That moment I realized she was blind. दूसरी मेरी पोइट्री हिंदी में है। ये एक्चुअली बीच में रेप केसेस बढ़ गए थे, अभी भी हो रहे हैं, तो जो चाइल्ड रेप होते हैं उसके ऊपर मैंने लिखी थी इन हिंदी। अपने मासूम से चेहरे से शायद उसने उसे रिझाया होगा, तभी तो उसके मन में इतना घिनौना ख्याल आया होगा। मीठी बातें करके उस बच्ची को उसने बुलाया होगा, फिर मौका मिलते ही कहीं दूर उसे ले जाया होगा। फाड़कर उसके कपड़े अपने इरादों से उस बच्ची को उसने डराया होगा। उसके जिस्म को नोचकर बड़े बेरहमी से दर्द उसे पहुंचाया होगा। थरथराते हुए होठों से मदद के लिए उस बच्ची ने अपनी माँ को बुलाया होगा, पर रहम करने का ख्याल उस बेरहम के मन में न आया होगा। तड़पती हुई सहमी सी बच्ची को न जाने उसने कितना रुलाया होगा, शायद उस दिन हवस ने इंसानियत को हराया होगा। ये एक और पोइट्री है, ये भी इंग्लिश में है। ये एक लड़की के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से है जो वो मिडनाइट ओवर थिंकिंग कर रही है बालकनी में खड़े होके। The night is awake, looking at the moon, I took a break from thoughts running in my mind that caused me headache. Wanted to shout my feelings that remained unspoken. With that incident, I was completely shaken. Was trying to fake by showing myself chilled outside, but inside I was broken. People think I am insane, but I don't mind because they don't know my pain. Trying to ignore what people say, I have lost a bit and a bit I gained. All these incidents have made me strong, and these memories will remain with me lifelong. I think I am thinking a lot. Isn't this night seem so long? Thank you.